Hey, Casey, the real estate consultant here. The Seller's Guide is without a doubt the best in the industry. It gives you excellent content, statistics, and graphs while highlighting current market conditions. This information will make you more knowledgeable and prepared when selling your home. Things to consider when selling your house. This is the 2015 fall edition of the Seller's Guide. It is hot off the press. Outlined below are the topics that the 2015 Fall Seller's Guide covers. Several of the topics are: 1. 5 reasons to sell this fall. 4. Are you planning to sell your home? Price it right from the beginning. 9. Where have home prices been over the last year? 11. 5 reasons you shouldn't for sale by owner. 13. Where are mortgage interest rates headed? 18. And finally, Fannie Mae agrees, hire a pro to sell. I'll leave the rest of these topics for you to review when it is convenient for you. I am positive you will find the contents informative and very helpful. Looking at several pages of content, you can see for yourself the content is excellent, with supporting statistics and graphs. How do you get a free copy of the 2015 fall edition of the Seller's Guide? Contact KC at 719-238-2837 or visit www.kckrueger.com to request a free copy.